not. It is freezing in Utah. 2 days ago, it was 70 degrees, and I think it's like 39. But welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to a kind of sort of perfect, pretty cold day in the beautiful state of Utah. Okay, we got a bunch to do. I have no idea what happened to Burlacker. He was behind us, and now he's not. He must have got lost, or maybe he crashed. I don't know. Good news, Burlacker did make it, and he brought the new Subaru, the Onyx White 2020 Outback. The last time we were out here, a Tune 720S did a 105 and change. We're not gonna touch that time today, but the C8 Corvette, I know the car has been getting a lot of hate on the interwebs. This car is fast, and I'm gonna prove it to you today. We're gonna run it up against the 700 horsepower Aventador. This car brand new was 400 grand. This was $85,000, and I bet you guys the C8 Corvette is faster around the track than the Aventador. The last time we were here in the Aventador, we were on winter tires. We did a 112, but now we're on the summer Pirelli tires, and I know we can beat that time, but I still think the C8 Corvette 495 horsepower can beat the 700 horsepower flagship Lamborghini. So we're gonna do a couple warm-up laps, and then we're gonna see how she does. Full disclosure, the Aventador does have a check engine light, but the check engine light has been on like a billion times in the 2 years I've owned the car. It's always on, it's always off. It doesn't matter, it's not affecting performance. We're totally fine. At least I hope we are. We don't have a fire. We didn't bring a fire extinguisher. That was a mistake. Corsa mode, ESC, thrust mode possible? I don't know if it's possible. Is it not possible? Thrust mode possible. Are you ready?
Let's go.
Here we go. Oh, jeez. On the brakes. Come on, Tessa, we gotta go. Remember, fast is slow, and slow is fast. We do not want a Chevrolet beating the flagship Lamborghini. Okay, that was terrible lights. I need to focus. I'm talking to you guys. I need to be talking to the camera. You good, Tess? On the brakes. Hit those apexes. On the throttle. Go. I told you to bring your diaper. You okay?
Wow.
All right.
Who needs roller coasters?
All right, what did you think, dude? What did you think? 111.99. 0.99? Yeah. Justin, what was your guess? What? What'd you say? Optimism. She said 110. 110? Wow. Oh, that's. Hey, women always know that. Wait, no way, really? 110.1. Good job, Tessa. And awesome with the additional weight. No, whoa, no. I'm just gonna leave you guys there. Good luck, James. Good luck, James. Good luck, James. What are you doing, bro? You gonna jive? You just gonna stand there and look?
I'm gonna wait to see a lap record here.
Oh, okay. Whoa, pressure's on. Lap record is 105.82 in an 1100 horsepower 720S. I don't think we're gonna touch the lap record, but we're gonna try. If you guys listen super closely, there's this weird ticking sound. I don't know what that is. So I just did a 110.18 in the Aventador, 495 horsepower, 6.2 liter V8 in the C8 Corvette. I don't know, we'll kind of sort of see what happens, but here we go. Track mode initiated, traction control, stability control off. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. You ready? Full send. Jeez, this thing is fast. We didn't get any traction right there. That was 3.9, that was terrible. Okay, we got some time to make up. Hold on, girl. Okay, that was a good line. Oh, jeez, this car is fast. The Aventador definitely has like the straight-in power, but in the corners, the grip on this is unreal. Okay, come on. I'm on the on the power. I gotta focus. I'm chit-chatting with you guys. We gotta beat that smug Aventador. Power now. Whoa, jeez. Let's go. And on the brakes. Okay, I brake a little early right there. Whoa! I nearly lost it! We're good, we're good, we're good! That is such a creepy turn. On the power. Oh geez, I came in way too hot right there. Oh geez, oh we're all over the place across the line. Oh, this Corvette is amazing.
108.93.
No.
He did it finally.
Nah, you're just trigger happy. That was like really 109.9.
I don't know what to say. I mean,
110.17?
one.
I have a question. Why do you spend 3 times the money to go slower?
Wow.
Yeah. Basically.
How fast was that?
108.93.
No way.
You made
What?
it. You made it.
108.93?
108.93.
That's insane.
108.93.
And I can do better.
And
I can do better.
and you had added weight.
Oh shoot. Nick's never gonna let you live that down.
I just had an epiphany. I was out here in the Viper ACR. I did a 108 and change. We just did a 108 and change in the C8 Corvette. And the Viper ACR, like, that has track records at Laguna Seca. This is just a C8. This car starts at 60 grand, boys. I'm telling you, Chevrolet executives, if you are watching today's video, salute to you. Well done, well done. I just got hit! I got hit!
Smooth. You got stuff all
killed
over
James
your
though.
No, I got shrapnel everywhere. It's like embedded in my soul. That was really good, actually.
It is better.
Respect, respect.
3, 2, 1, go!
I'm not gonna say he cheated right there, but I'm pretty sure he cheated. Thanks, Tessa. Sunscreen. Safety is of the utmost importance. That is a confident man in an onyx white Subaru Outback. It has a turbo, boys. A turbo. Brake, 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 brake. He's good. You guys know the importance of sunscreen. When in doubt, smear it out.
I
What?
don't want to ruin your shot, bro,
Bro,
but I do
Hey.
not understand what Tessa sees in you, right? Okay. Now
This
I get
is
it.
a-
Now I get it.
cut. Hey, we're gonna do round 2 in the Aventador and the C8 Corvette, but I just rode with Mr. Burlacker in the Shelby GT350 114.02. Link below.
Yes!
If you want to see that video. He may have vomited, he might not have. More to come. You got a little vomit on, anyways. 114.02. Are you ready to ride in the Aventador with me?
Yeah, of course. Let's do it.
All right, let's go full send. It's not possible. Why is it not possible? Oh, parking brake. Thrust mode, possible. There it is. Oh, jeez.
Go! Okay. This is... Oh my goodness! The centrifugal forces.
I have all this sunscreen on my hands. I have no grip.
That gives me so much confidence. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, this is the worst. It's just like when I was in a fighter jet.
You were never in a
got-
fighter jet.
Okay, I wasn't.
Trust me.
What's this Coke bottle doing rolling around on the floor?
That's terrible.
Whoa, whoa. Scariest moment of my life. Oh my gosh. Oh.
My My hands are so greasy from that sunscreen. I legit have no grip whatsoever.
I am so.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Okay.
And across the line. I missed the cone. I missed the cone. It's the sunscreen on the hands. It's all the greasy hands. I can't. It's the greasy sunscreen on my hands.
That was crazy. You still actually beat Nick.
Did I? Yes.
113.5 with the slide out.
I don't care. I'm getting out.
That was not my most impressive lap. I nearly took out the cones, but we bobbed and weaved. We were good. It was all the sunscreen on my hands. They're just very greasy. That's the excuse that I'm going with. And yeah, anyways, Corvette. You ready, bro? You good for round two? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I really do apologize for that, but I am thankful that you held your lunch together.
Well, I'm just grateful I'm alive and here, but I'm gonna go again.
In the comments below, should we get scissor doors on the C8 Corvette? Let me know what you think.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, 100% yes.
You hydrated? You ready to go?
Yeah, I feel better now. I mean, I had to recover, obviously.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Okay, here we go. So we did a 108.9 and change. Here we go. That did not make sense. You know what I meant.
Oh my goodness.
At 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. Jeez, you're heavy, bro.
Jeez.
You're.
I'm aware.
Wow.
Yeah.
I did 3-3 without you in it.
Yeah. This is okay. Okay. This seat is extremely much less comfortable than the Aventadors.
You gonna be okay? Wow,
No.
why am I so slow right now? Oh, come on.
She's struggling. She's laboring.
It's the 270 pounds in the passenger seat.
Whoa. All right. Brakes, please, brakes, please. It worked. Glorious. This is definitely much less violent than the Aventador. It's hard to tell. Are we going faster or slow? Oh, geez, you're gonna. Don't spin out in the same spot. Oh, don't hit the Shelby.
Boom, across the line. That wasn't very good. How you doing, bro? I wasn't very good. I got 270 pounds in the passenger seat. 108.78? That was faster?
Faster.
We had
All the co-pilot.
Burlacker?
All the co-pilot.
Added traction.
Yep.
Wow.
Added traction, yes.
traction.
Oh, is that
Downforce.
That actually makes sense.
Downforce.
That
Downforce.
makes sense. That
Good
doesn't make
job.
any sense. That does not make sense. You all right,
You
buddy?
buying me a burger for almost killing me?
Can you launch the C8 Corvette against me in the Aventador and see which is faster?
I'll do that, yeah. I
Okay,
can do that,
yeah, we'll do that.
Okay.
Then burger.
Okay.
Now we're gonna test, is the Aventador or the C8 Corvette faster to 60 miles an hour? Bear in mind, we have maybe 1/8 of a mile, I'm not really sure. Also, Burlacker has never actually launched the C8 Corvette, so we'll kind of sort of see 2.7, 2.9, but we're at elevation, a 2012 with 25,000 miles, a 2020 with 5,000 miles. So the Corvette, I don't know, it's kind of sort of sixes. Let's see, full send, never doubt.
No question. No question.
I don't know if you guys hear that, but I'm pretty sure Burlacker broke my car. Bro, what'd you do? It sounds like it's falling apart.
Like that before.
Dude, I beat you. I got you. Are you kidding me? You got me off the line and then I flew past you.
I let off the gas because
No,
I don't want to break your car.
No, you didn't.
All we had to prove was
No,
that 500 pounds could get off the line quicker than you, and we did.
Well, yeah, off the
Didn't we
line. That
all
was a
not
0 to
see
60.
The C8.
It beat.
Right?
I mean, that's probably the world's first race.
That's what we were doing.
Yeah, and the Aventador
we
won.
won.
I don't know what they were watching. Rewind the footage. Like, we got him, boys. Lambo Nation. We got him. Be sure to go follow Luke on Instagram. Check out this photo he got. That is a photo finish. Aventador. Yes, 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 yes. Sorry, bro.
No.
At what point
It was about the takeoff. We beat you on the takeoff.
Off
That's
the
all we
line. To
wanted
20,
prove.
you beat me.
That's what
You're
we
not
wanted to
wrong,
prove.
but the Aventador reeled
I
you
let
in.
off the gas because I haven't driven your car before, and I don't
Wait,
trust
so you
I'm
drove it
not
like your
putting
grandma? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, I did.
Wow.
And we still beat you.
I'm not really sure. Burlacker was the last to drive it. That's all I know. We did a 108.78 with it broken. Just imagine when it gets fixed. Sorry, bro. I don't know what that is.
What did you? That sounds. It's getting worse.
It's getting worse. What'd you do? You drove it last. He launches it one time and he breaks it. I mean, what do you expect? He's a Mustang driver. It's in his nature. All jokes aside, I don't really know what that is. Stefan, I think you're driving that home, so best of luck, mate.
I mean, as long as you don't blame it on me.
No, it's obviously burr lacquer, so you're good. Also, guys, be sure to go follow Stefan. Link below to his Instagram. The man, the myth, the legend, getting those epic shots. And yeah, best of luck.
Thanks.
I should know this. I'm pretty sure the car has a warranty, so yeah. Anyways, another epic day with the Shelby and the C8 Corvette. Guys, I'm telling you, that car is amazing. 108 and change. Wow, and I know we can do better. That was such a fun day. It is so much fun testing the limits of these cars. And that C8 Corvette, boys, like, it is thoroughly impressive. Massive shout out to the guys at Blinker Fluid. If you have not subscribed to the channel, guys, please go subscribe to the channel. Link below. That C8 Corvette, though, we did a 108.8, and that launch was terrible. Like 0-60 in 4 seconds. It's capable of 2.9. If we would have knocked a second off that, we'd be in 720 yesterday. That is crazy. That is insanity. Anyways, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.